welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to be opening some toys. So let's get started. Let's start with this. So this is mine. So we're going to start by doing that. And then this is a cute little lip balm. And there's a little shiny nail polish. And this is a little shiny pink nail polish. The other one that I showed you was a white one. White is in the shop. So this is what I looked like in the shop with this cute little handle. Next your turn. So this is a Stitch sticker stamper, and when you press it on something it makes stickers. These are the types of stickers that it has. So we can try it on here, and then when I push this down, it'll make a sticker. That's the sticker that came. And it comes with 60 stickers. And I don't know if you can restart them. Your turn. So now I'm going to open this makeup lollipop with all these different sections. And this got a cute little bowl there and lots of. Okay, so this is the first section, which is all the eyeshadow. Show them it. And the next section is a lip gloss section. And then the last section is just like nail stuff. Nail stuff and a lip stuff. Next I'm gonna do, it's a Polly Pocket takeout, and it comes with a little cart, it comes with a doll, and it also comes with like a little food thing. So these are the packets, that's one. And this is, I think, the food that it comes with. And then this is the Polly Pocket thing, so let's see which one we got. So I got this cute lunch box, and it's got like cupcakes on it, and then on the inside it looks like that, and it comes with a little cake cart, and I think it's meant to be like a cake shop. Now let me open these. So we'll open the food thing first. And I got, oh, so this is the doll, and I got this person over here. So I think she can sit in like the cart. So she can go in here. It looks like Lego. It kind of like, and then for the food thing, we got, oh, these are like boots. Oh wait, we got a little pink chair, and we got, sit in the chair. We got a little hot table, and we also got a little cupcake, a little pink cupcake. And so that's what's in there. And this like pushes down, so you can like, when you push it down, I think the cart like goes by itself. So let me just put these in here. Can I open that one and that one? We're gonna open it together. So let me just put these in there. We're gonna see that. Okay, Amelia, now we're gonna see. Now let's. So now we're both going to open this light when it's squishy. So I'll use the scissors to open it. So this is the light bulb squishy. There. This is what it looks like. If you squish it, you could see a little bit of like confetti in it. And it makes like a sound, and it's got this bit. Now we're gonna open. No, now we're gonna open this Barbie thing. I'm gonna open this one, and then she could take it out. We're both gonna open it. We're both gonna open it. Okay, so I just cut it out, and then so it's like very mini. It's a cutie reveal, and I think on this side, those are all of the ones that you can get. And it's got a heart on here, so let's open it. Okay, that's... Shall I do it? Yeah, can you get it off? Okay, so I think we got like a unicorn. We got a green unicorn. Yeah, so here we got like a green unicorn, and when I lift off the mask, it's gonna show who we got. So we got this person, and at the back of her hair, she's got like pink highlights. And we got this cute little baby unicorn. So it's a baby unicorn too. Let's put it there. Okay, and then all the stickers that we were gonna open, but what's the point of opening them? Yeah. No, so now we're gonna open these. Most of the stuff is in my cousin's. These cards all of the cousins. So we got the unicorn, and it's really like fluffy, and she's got like these hairs. She's got a comb, and here she's got a blue sweet. And if you look at the back, it shows you if they have a sweet which one. So it looks like she's extra sweet, and that's her that we got. And she's got little jelly beans on her. And that's it for today. We hope you subscribe and like to our channel. Bye.